Mula. Menu, but me diakopon. Utisa prechua, we ma prechua. A prechua, the things are for. We threw out Kolachi.
Abusiama mo akwa about trending stories on social media. Na na de agita social media no so. Kwadwo ne kwadwo e de aboani.
I think they did a terrible job with regards to grading, but then over kinds is here because so when I coca so come for a call.
I'll come for you, I swear. Where I will never allow you to do these things to me. Never and never.
We a Ghanaian movie actor, Kwadwo Nkansan Lilwin, was a wabebo social media content creator, Kwadwo Sheldon.
But you want to why I'm doing Yakopon. Mabu buta.
Na we nyina kobaye, abra Kwadwo Sheldon, and the boys. Ekotena studio, no moko discuss Kwadwo Nkansan Lilwin movie ya wutwa watunidi A Country Called Ghana. Yeah, enche obabe premiere ehonsem.
Problem there. Video nenim yesum.
Okay.
Yeah, video no there. Me video nenim yesum.
The clarity.
Yes. Yeah. I don't know the reason why when I was giving my submission at first I didn't mention this. I was thinking maybe be my internet. But my camera should be my son yesum under Wi-Fi.
Yes.
In the part there's a video naturally ne yesum. For me who yesum and the video ne yesum. Obi amemo o Johnny Fish at in my company there. I want my video near clear. Yeah,
grading wise.
Yeah, grading.
I think they did a terrible job with regards to grading, but then over kinds is here because so when I coca so come for a call. And that is why people argued say they should have taken their time for post-production because the shooting will be the problem. Because when you shoot, you have the raw footage. Now you have to sit down, cut it, arrange it, grade it for it to make sense. That is where we have the problem.
And communico say no, Kwadwo ni anye ho. Kwadwo hu say Sheldon a social media content creator. One fan ne nwom kra na se ne story kra discuss da. Nene die. Edie ne free so bete baira homemu a ama baira mo akese. Ye ne. Wafa ni movie a waboka millions of dollars. Aye. Obetena se akase movie no emu esum.
Bewo, man from day one up to now. One family kwanya rida. Enye ekente koga na ho ana wo beye ade sa de betia me. So be o kritasa me back to back I don't care. Be wo nyabi adenti na ekente koga na be nko ade. O kritasa de say o be so say no. Beginning press conference no. Hwade wo sada koye poster adventure ekofa ho ahom to so yedin. Ye adwuma da ho no. Aswe me body cho emehye. Muntis kan twabi eduni mbrewum. Mo de wo te faako. Ana okiti studio o dem. Ana won tiska nya we na auto no wo ye. Wo interview ko phone na se jiska. Ana won ko phone na wi aro wi jusika. Ana won jiska bi YouTube. Wo jiska na say dey. Wo say post na ro ade. Won tiska nya djuma bi da. Unim how is spend ska eye movie aye adwuma. Wo de wo te dem. Ana wo kesa fan ko fo ho. Obi say the cheska man no ajiska. Wo say post to page. Wo say nya ska YouTube tini. Don't joke with me. I swear. So we movie that come movie.
You wo fu ye pa. Eba ne say no. What the miss logic about be shas asem we no bi esan say. We tofe no osusu se Sheldon. Any logic wo mu num bi.
Tofe no mu di tofe no. Na mo winwira bi na. Na ma asem wo dem nye. Ene studio abafu. No obi ana de wo dem. No afran go be tranchen. Na obi a wonim how is stress ni woni how is spend money eya ade woni nya 7 seconds 7 scam nya adwuma da no trans ka bone fa adwuma ho
se say na koye de a ene Sheldon anya ade isan se tikesi wo hedie inim se nka enyansetire but so akoshe studio now no boys account side opinion on the movie yen premiere won hwe da na ukoka se movie no esum wo mo anye ni yi a wo mo anya de enti Kwadwo bu Sheldon na wo de serve so obo no pia